first time in YouTube. 1.5 inch passive radiator for sale. This can be used in both sides. The ring is made of rubber and the center part is made of metal. These passive radiators can use both sides. This can be used for DIY projects like Bluetooth speaker. Hello viewers, welcome to AudioViz 360. Today I have this 1.5 inches passive radiator for sale, made of metal here, and the ring is made of rubber. So you can see, I'm showing you the close look. So this is made of rubber ring and this is metal. This is matte black. You can use the both sides, this side and this side as well. Let me show you the size of the passive radiator here. You can see this is 1.5 inches exactly. You can see here. So this is for sale. The main beauty of this passive radiator is you can use both sides. This side also you can use this side and the other side is this. It looks like this. I will show you in the close up. You can see here. So this is the back side and this is the front side, or you can say this is the front side or this is the back side. Both ways you can use. So this is for sale. You can use this for your DIY Bluetooth speaker projects or any other projects. So these are first time available here in YouTube, the double side passive radiator. If you would like to buy this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Price will be given in the title and in the description. If the price is not given in the description, please do message on this number to check the prices, the latest prices. I will tell you about this. If you are making any DIY Bluetooth speaker, so without a bass port, then you must use these passive radiators so that the bass reflex will come from these passive radiators. These are very important. And this is very rarely available here in India. You can see this is specially designed so that you can use both sides, whichever the direction is, you can use both sides. So this is made of rubber here, the ring is made of rubber, and this side, both side metal is used here. So this is matte black 1.5 inches passive radiator. If you would like to buy this, please do message on the above WhatsApp number. Price is given in the title and in the description. If the price is not given here, please do message on this number to check the latest prices. So once the payment is done, these passive radiators will be shipped using India Post and the tracking number will be shared to your WhatsApp number. The receipt also will be shared to your WhatsApp number. In that receipt you will have the tracking number. You can track that using India Post website. So before winding up, I will show you a look of this passive radiator. So this is the front look and this is the back look. So both sides, both ways you can use. It is designed in such a way you can use both sides. So this is matte black passive radiators of 1.5 inches size. Alright, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, please do like, share, subscribe to AudioViz 360 and hit that notification bell icon and write comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Bye.